Hello everyone, welcome. We've been studying regular verbs in the present tense, and our new verb in this lesson is the verb to rain, regnen. Regnen. Regnen is technically classified as a regular verb. However, there is a rule that applies to regnen, which is verbs whose stems end in gn add an e to the du, sie, s, and ihr endings. Regnen is also considered an impersonal verb in the sense that we normally don't go around saying things like I reign and you reign and he reigns. We only use it with the subject pronoun it. So it is s in German, and the rule still applies here. So these are the normal endings, but the only one that is going to apply is the t ending here. But remember, because of the rule, since it ends in gn, we're going to add the e as well. So the way you conjugate the verb regnen is simply es regnet. So es regnet, present tense, which means it rains, it is raining. It can mean it does rain as well. Very simple. Es regnet, es regnet. It rains, it is raining, it does rain. We can add some adverbs here to say a little more about the fact that it rains, or it does rain, or it is raining. So for example, JETZT, right now, HEUTE, today, oft, often, IMMER, always. So if I put that together, I could say es regnet jetzt, it's raining right now. Es regnet heute, it's raining today, or it does rain today, it rains today. Es regnet oft, it rains often. Es regnet immer, it always rains. And that's it for this lesson. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning German and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.